as you can see, I have a Playbysephora box here. Now this is for January. This is a replacement box. I do have the original that they sent me right here. Usually you receive an email that shows you what is in your box. So when I clicked on that email, I saw what all my products were gonna be and I was super excited. When I finally received it, I opened up this box and it was completely wrong. It was the wrong box. And this is the second time this happened. So I gave them a call instead of just emailing them. And I was told that the box I was supposed to get became completely sold out and they just replaced it with another box. I was told I could either get my money back, which is the $10, or they can send me another box, but it would be at random. So he told me 3 of the products and I said, you know what, I'll take it because those 3 products were supposed to be in my original box anyway. So he went ahead and sent me a replacement and that's what this one is. So I am gonna do both unboxings, but the first one I'm gonna show you is the one that I got originally. So of course when you open it up, it will have the pamphlet on the top with the theme. So I'm gonna go with the first thing right here, which is from Hum Nutrition. This is the Daily Cleanse. There's 6 in here, and I've mentioned this in another video of mine, but I use these every single day. Now, it does call for 2 capsules daily, but I honestly just take 1. And I always purchase the full size of this. This is so good with keeping your skin clear. Honestly, it really is amazing. It's very pricey. For 60 capsules, it costs $25. So this is the bonus of the month. Usually they'll give like a perfume sample, which I enjoy. I'm not too fond of this. I don't know if this is gonna work good for my hair type, but either way, it's from the brand Marajo. It's a nourishing cleansing cream and a deep treatment butter. It's a hydrating shampoo and conditioner set that nurtures with botanical oils and rich butters for luxurious, healthy looking hair. It says it hydrates hair, eliminates flyaways, adds volume and shine. So the next thing here is from Laneige. This is the water sleeping mask. I did get this in a previous Sephora Play box and I tried the sample and absolutely loved it. I purchased the full size. So the full size, I know it's around $25 and you get so much. The container is like this big. You get so much, you won't run out. It'll take forever to run out. It says it's a quick absorbent gel mask that hydrates skin while you sleep. Your future will look bright when you use this innovative sleeping mask that rehydrates stressed, parched skin with hydroionized mineral water. I'll probably take what is in this little container here and I'll probably put it in my full size bottles. So this next thing I've also received before and it wasn't a Sephora Play. This is from Origins. This is the Clear Improvement Active Charcoal Mask to clear pores. It's a purifying face mask that deep cleans skin and reduces the appearance of pores. It says clean up your face's act with this clarifying mask that uses bamboo charcoal to remove extra oils that could lead to blackheads. It's good, but it's not the best in my opinion. It does what it says it needs to do. It doesn't have a seal on it and I'm not really happy about that because if you can see, it looks like it was squeezed or whatever happened. I don't know. I didn't do that, I know that much, so I don't know if I'm gonna use it or not, but I just don't appreciate when they don't put safety seals on the products. Now this is one thing that I have not tried yet and I'm really excited actually to try this because I've heard really good things about it. It's the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. It's a lightweight primer that hydrates, refreshes, and preps skin for makeup. It says you don't have to be a water sign to love this water face primer. The 3-in-1 formula is so light you can also use it as a setting spray or face mist throughout the day. I don't know if I would use this as a primer or if I would use it as just a refreshing face mist because I love using face mists after work when I take my makeup off. So it's definitely what they say it is. It's very light and refreshing. And then the last but not least in this box is from Bite Beauty. It's the Glacé Matte Cream Lip Crayon. And it's in the shade Glacé. It's a high pigment lip crayon in a dusty mauve shade with a matte finish. It's a long wearing formula, makes skin look supple and smooth with every swipe. Orange peel wax seals in moisture for a water resistant yet hydrating finish. It's very, very smooth. It's a really nice mauve shade. I like shades like this. I mean, I go for more on the nude side. So that is everything that was sent in this bag that I originally was not supposed to get. So let's get into the replacement. So now this is the bag I was supposed to get. I'm gonna show you the repeats first because I'm not gonna keep it. I'm actually gonna put this aside in my giveaway that I'm having. Check out my Instagram for that information on my giveaway. So again, this is the Bite Beauty Matte Lip Cream in Glacé. So I'm gonna put this aside. The next repeat is these Marajo shampoo and conditioner packets. So I don't know if I'm gonna put these in the giveaway or if I'm gonna just try it. I'm not quite sure yet, but I am gonna put this aside too. Now I'm gonna get into the products that I was most excited about. The first being the Sunday Riley Good Genes Lactic Acid Treatment. I've gotten this sample many, many times, and the full size is so expensive. I would love to be able to purchase it, but it is just not in my budget. It's like $185, which for me is just ridiculous. So I know it's a good product, but I just cannot buy the full size. This is a high potency purified grade lactic acid and exfoliates dull, pore clog, and dead skin cells to instantly clarify and reveal smoother, clearer skin. Together with Radiance Boost and Licorice, this super concentrated treatment visibly reduces the look of dark spots and discolorations for clearer, brighter, more even toned skin. And I use this at night. I used to use it in the morning, but I actually prefer it at night. This is just what the little sample looks like. This doesn't last me too long. It's only a 5 milliliter bottle. Doesn't last me too long, especially if I use it every night. But if I use it maybe twice a week, then it lasts me a couple weeks. Now, the next thing I was really excited about, because before I purchased my Laneige water sleeping mask, I was actually going to purchase this one. I'm really excited to see how it compares to the Laneige. It's a very tiny sample. I just wish they put it in like a little tube instead, because you can't reseal it. But it says here it's a replenishing mask that hydrates and revives dry, dull skin while you sleep. Its unique, lightweight, jelly pudding texture easily wraps around the contours of the face and delivers intense hydration. And this next product is from Beauty Blender. This is the Solid Pro Cleanser. Now, I have a few of these when I purchased my Beauty Blender Surprise Mystery Bag. It came with a mystery color Beauty Blender, and then it came with like a pink one of these. This one is the Solid Pro. It's a charcoal infused soap that removes excess product, dirt, and oil from makeup tools. So you can actually use this for your brushes and your sponges. So I think that this should last a while because it's a pretty thick bar. I wouldn't go out and purchase this because I use my own soaps that I have. So I wouldn't actually purchase this, but having it, I will definitely give it a try. Last but not least was the star of this whole entire bag, and it is the Drunk Elephant Lala Retro Whipped Cream. I have been dying to try this. I wanted to try this one and the Protini moisturizer, which I think would be a little bit better for my skin, but to get anything Drunk Elephant makes me really excited because it is such a pricey brand. But this is a rich whipped moisturizer that nurtures dry, dull skin and delivers a dose of hydration. It helps fight signs of aging and relieve irritation from environmental stressors with this airy blend of 6 rare African oils, plantain extract, and antioxidant-rich fermented green tea. So Drunk Elephant is known for its really good ingredients. Even with this small size, I know that this should last me quite a while because I do have oily skin and I will be using this at night, so I won't need much of it. This definitely feels buttery. It has a very, very hydrating texture. You can even see the difference in my hands. It feels really, really nice. And that is everything that was in this box. So this one was my favorite out of the two. Again, this is the one I was supposed to get. I'll be putting this product in a giveaway. And these I'm putting aside, but I'm not quite sure what I am going to do with this yet. But these other 4, I am so excited for. I love all of these brands. I love all of these products. So I can't wait to try the Drunk Elephant. So really happy with Sephora Play for January. I'm really not disappointed too much. I was just disappointed at the fact of the inconvenience of sending the wrong box. I am looking forward to seeing what February brings. I do like Sephora Play. It's only $10 a month, and you do get high-end products, as you can tell with, you know, seeing Drunk Elephant and Sunday Riley. So you do get high-end brands. Keep a lookout, everybody, for the upcoming videos for February. I do still have one more January box, and it is the Allure box. Check out my Instagram. It is the same name as my YouTube channel. It's skincare_glam. And it's also going to be in the description box. I'm having a big giveaway that when I reach a certain amount of followers on Instagram and subscribers on YouTube, I will be giving away a bunch of products. If you haven't already, then please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a big thumbs up and feel free to share it. Help me build my channel and keep a lookout for my upcoming videos. So until next time, I will see you guys soon. Bye.